Hi, welcome to my channel. Lately I have been learning how to cook quick, simple, and delicious Indian recipes, and today I'm going to share with you one of my new favorites, eggplant curry. In the past I had only cooked with eggplant in Italian dishes, but I find this dish way more flavorful and it's easier to make. I'm excited to share my recipe with you today. For preparation, chop 1 large onion, which is about 2 cups worth, and 3 medium tomatoes, which is about 2 cups, and set aside. Then wash and cut 1 large eggplant into cube-sized pieces. Put water in a bowl and mix it with 1/4 of a tablespoon of salt. Immerse the eggplant in the bowl of salt water to prevent discoloring and bitter taste. Now let's get to the cooking. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. For this recipe, I prefer using extra virgin olive oil. Add 1/2 of a teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. When they begin to pop, add 2 curry leaves. Fry for about a minute. Then add the onions and fry until golden colored. You can stir occasionally. Once the onions have turned golden, add 2 teaspoons of ginger paste followed by 4 teaspoons of garlic paste. Cook this mixture until the raw smell fades away. This takes about 40 to 60 seconds. Then add the tomatoes and sprinkle 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Fry for about 2 minutes and then cook covered until tomatoes turn mushy. Next, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of chili powder. You can reduce depending on your preferred spice level, followed by 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, and 4 teaspoons of coriander powder. Sauté the mixture until the raw smell of the chili powder goes away. Then remove the eggplant cubes from the water and add to the pot. Stir them into the mixture and sauté for 3 minutes on medium heat. Pour 1/2 cup of water. You can add more water as needed to prevent the curry mixture from getting stuck to the pan. Mix and cover on low flame. Cook the eggplant until it gets soft. I typically like my eggplant a bit more cooked, so I simmer for about 40 minutes. But if you like your eggplant more firm, then you can reduce the simmer time. While we are waiting for this fruit to cook, oh yeah, I bet you didn't know eggplant was a fruit. Let me share some more interesting facts about the eggplant. Eggplant is a fruit which grows from a flowering plant and contains seeds. There are many varieties, but most common is the purple skin eggplant. Eggplants are 95% water and 50% of their volume is air. Eggplants originated in India and China. Some records show that they were cultivated as early as 50 BC. Thomas Jefferson first introduced the eggplant to the United States in 1806. Eggplants have many health benefits. They are beneficial for digestion and bone health. They lower cholesterol levels and may help improve mood. The 2022 Guinness Book of World Records for the heaviest eggplant, weighing at 3.12 kilograms, which is 6 pounds 14 ounces, was held by Peter Glazebrook from the UK. Now let's check on the eggplant dish. When the eggplant is cooked, it will be softened. You will notice the skin turns loose or wilted. You can taste test and add more salt if needed. Serve the dish with rice or naan. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on so you don't miss out.